The problem with the Huawei C Sparrow 3K camera is that it doesn't power on when connected. First, plug it in and check the meter. It goes blackout immediately, so there must be a short circuit inside this thing. Let's start by removing the tin foil at the bottom and then proceeding here. I opened it up and found that this device had probably been tampered with before because the screws here are already loose from prying. Let's see where the short circuit is. First, unplug all unnecessary peripherals, leaving only the power supply. Let's plug it in and see if it still shorts. I found that the problem might be with this wire, the power input wire. This wire has 4 strands, 2 red, 1 green, and 1 white. This area is really bad, the wire just won't come off. Look here, the insulation looks peeled, all stuck together, it seems like. We have to find a way to separate this and plug the wire in alone to check if it still shorts. If it shorts with the wire alone, it's 100% a problem here. It seems we missed something earlier. Although this part got burnt badly like crap, it's not shorted here. The short is probably at the back, which caused the wire to heat up and burn. Then I found the short circuit is on the other side, measuring it seems to be in this area. Look, here is the short circuit, let's check exactly where. This side also needs fixing. Look, the insulation on the 2 middle wires is all old and twisted together, and the black wire's insulation is completely gone at the front. Only the red wire is a bit better. First, I reconnected the wires here and plugged it in again. It briefly powered but then heated up. I noticed a capacitor here was getting hot. The one I removed is fine, but something else here seems to be heating up. Why did so many parts suddenly fail? Let's remove this part first. Anyway, this capacitor is very hot, it must be shorted. The heating here could also be the chip shorting and causing an overload. Let's remove it and test again. After removal, testing shows no short circuit. Next, let's put it back together and test if it works properly. Plugging in again, the blue light is flashing and current is present. Let's reassemble everything. Not sure if it was dropped or pried open, but some clips here are broken. I'll glue them later. Now the light is on, let's wait a moment. Okay, it's working normally now and repaired itself. It's working fine, let's just reset it and connect it with the app.